Have you ever struggled to solder tiny components or inspect delicate circuit boards? A quality digital microscope can completely transform your workflow. Whether you're repairing smartphones, working on PCB projects, inspecting coins, or exploring electronics, choosing the right microscope makes all the difference. Today on Deal Explorer, we're counting down the top 5 digital electronics microscopes of 2026. Let's get started. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the TOMLOV DM9 Max, featuring a large 10.1-inch HD IPS display and a powerful 20-megapixel camera. This microscope delivers crisp, colorful images with up to 1,500 times magnification. Its HDMI output allows users to connect to larger monitors, making detailed inspections even more comfortable. The sturdy stand helps reduce vibration during precision soldering, while adjustable LED illumination ensures clear visibility of every tiny component. For electronics hobbyists and repair professionals looking for reliable performance without breaking the budget, the DM9 Max is a solid choice. Taking the 4th spot is the RIEVBCAU 10.1-inch HDMI digital microscope. Designed for both electronics repair and precision inspection, this model combines a large IPS display with impressive 2,000 times magnification and a high-resolution 20-megapixel imaging system. Its 10 adjustable LED lights produce excellent brightness, helping reveal even the smallest solder joints and microscopic defects. Whether you're restoring vintage coins or repairing intricate electronics, this microscope delivers dependable image quality and excellent working space.
Coming in at number 3 is the Elikliv EM4K-AF. This premium digital microscope steps up the experience with stunning 4K image quality and intelligent autofocus technology. Instead of constantly adjusting focus manually, the microscope quickly locks onto your subject, saving valuable time during repairs. Its durable 10-inch metal stand provides exceptional stability, while HDMI output allows smooth viewing on larger displays. The included 64GB memory card also makes recording repair projects quick and convenient. For creators, repair shops, and serious DIY enthusiasts, this microscope delivers professional-level performance. Our runner-up is the TOMLOV TM4K-AF Max. Designed specifically for professional electronics repair, this microscope combines ultra-sharp 4K resolution with fast autofocus performance. Its expansive 10.1-inch display offers outstanding color accuracy and detail, while HDMI connectivity makes long repair sessions much easier on the eyes. The bright adjustable lighting system produces consistent illumination across the entire workspace. From motherboard diagnostics to precision soldering, this microscope offers the speed, clarity, and reliability professionals demand. Claiming the number 1 position is the Star AD249S-M. This flagship microscope stands out with an impressive UHD 2160p imaging system, up to 2,000 times magnification, and an innovative 3-lens design that adapts to different inspection tasks. Its vibrant 10.1-inch IPS display delivers exceptional detail, making tiny electronic components easier to analyze than ever before. Designed for serious PCB repair, smartphone maintenance, soldering, and professional electronics work, it offers outstanding image quality, excellent working distance, and remarkable versatility. If you're looking for one of the best digital microscopes available in 2026, the Star AD249S-M is our top recommendation. Those were our picks for the top 5 digital electronics microscopes of 2026. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Deal Explorer.